In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a legend in Bluebeam. So the first thing you want to do, you want to select all the markups for which you actually want to create a legend. So here, I'm going to click on the first one over here, and then you want to hold down your shift key, click on the second one, and then the third one as well over here, and you can do as many as you want. Of course, it's completely up to you. Now, when you do this, just right click anywhere on any of these markups, and then over here, it's going to say legend. Hover over it, and then you can click on create new legend. And when you do this over here, you can select where you want to place it, for example up here. And if I click here, as you can see, this is now the new legend we just created. So if you want it more stylish, you can right click anywhere within it, and down at the bottom it says properties, and then here on the left hand side you can customize everything, like the title. You could customize the font sizes, columns, colors over here. You could also make it have an outline if it doesn't have it already. You could go ahead and of course do pretty much whatever you want over here. So that's basically how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.